Hello guys, welcome to my channel and this is the another video on the series of Cisco Packet Tracer. And in this video, I am going to discuss about star topology and I am going to implement star topology in Cisco Packet Tracer. So what is the star topology? Star topology is a type of network configuration in which all devices are individually connected to a central device, such as hub, switch or router. The central device acts as a communication hub through which all data is transmitted on to and from the nodes. So what happens? There would be a middle device, which will suppose this is the middle device, and it is going to connect all the devices inside the network. Suppose this is device 1, this is device 2, and this is device 3, and this is device 4. So these are devices in our network, and if we want to connect them, it is going to connect something like this. And if you want to send the data from one device to another device, it will go through the intermediate device. So what I'm trying to put here, suppose if you want to send the data from this device to another device, so it will go something like this. If you want to send data from this device to this device, so same here, it is going to be something like this. It can't, if you want to send data from this device to this device, you can't say that this will go something like this. No, it is not going to be because we need intermediate device. Because as per the star topology, we need intermediate device, so the data will go something like this. So I hope you understood what is the star topology is. Now we are going to implement star topology in our Cisco Packet Tracer. So this is our Cisco Packet Tracer. I'm going to take one switch to implement our star topology. So this is the switch. Now we need end devices. This is PC1, this is PC2. Actually, this is PC1 and this is PC2 and this is PC3. So PC0, PC1, PC2 and PC3. Now we need to connect them. So we can connect them with this cable. So we can connect it. It is connected. It is connected. It is connected and it is connected. Now, as these devices are in a specific network, as I already told you, the this device is a net. These devices are a network. So this would be a particular network. Okay, this would be a particular network. No, now if this is the network, so we have to assign the IP addresses to each individual device as well. So what we are going to do, we will go to desktop IP configuration. Then we will put IP address. Suppose 192.168.11 dot maybe 2. So for this, we are going to take 192.168.11.3. This is IPv4 seed address. Okay. For this, we will take 192.168.11. This is going to be 4. And for this, we are going to take 192.168.11 dot. This is this was 2, 3, 4, and this is going to be 5. So we have assigned the IP addresses to each devices. If we try to send the data packet, it must go. Okay, you can see it is going successfully. If you want to run in simulation, you can run it. Suppose if we want to send the data packet from this device PC2 to PC0. So here you can see two data packets are going to ready. One is from PC1 to PC0, another is from PC2 to PC0. So if I play it, then you can see. This is sending data packets to each devices so that the switch could recognize which device I am trying to send the data packet. In first time, it is going to reject, and if you send a second time, it will accept. Because in first time, the switch recognize how many devices are in our network and with which IP address they are assigned. So now you can check first is successful, and now it is sending message back for PC0. Sorry, for PC2. Okay. Now it has sent the message to PC2. Now you can see it has it has run successfully. So this was our star topology. So in upcoming video, we are going to discuss about the bus topology. So that is what for this video. Thanks for watching. We will meet in next video.